Hello everybody. How are you? How you feeling? Huh? Have a good news? Yeah. Okay, let's go. New day. Today I have once again Toyota MMT Yaris diesel. Very popular car, yeah? And I will use no like OBD I was using before. No, I will use this wire bridge. So where we need to connect it, as look, we have some notice from Toyota. We need to connect these of pins. It's 4 and 30. Okay, let's find them. Oh. Let's look how it goes. Oops. Oh. Yes, this and this. Okay. So the same as it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and from other side 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay. Back and we'll show you how to do the full learning with initialization of transmission, initialization of transmission control module, and initialization of the clutch. Okay, full. So okay, now I will do the learning without my computer and will do all steps. It's clamp position, initialization of transmission control module, and initialization of the way of the clutch. As look, what I need to do. I need to do the first plus. It's a clutch clamp position. After that, look, I need to, yes. After that, I need to initialization of the MMT ECU minus. And after that, I will do initialization of the clutch. It's plus minus. Okay, let's do it. First, so I have my bridge. I don't removed it. Yes, this. Okay. Now I turn on the switch and push 7 times the brake quickly. Yes. I release and push back the brake. Now I will do what I need to do. Plus. Neutral. Release and back the brakes. And 1, 2, 3. Oh. Yes, okay. Turn off the switch. Waiting for about 10-15 seconds. Yes. Now, without removing the wire, I will do it another option. Now I will do initialization of the MMT minus. Okay. So turn off on the switch. Yes. Yes. Now. Okay. Turn off the switch. Wait until the dashboard flash off. Oh, tick. I heard the sound tick. Okay. And the last step, it's the initialization of the clutch. Plus minus, plus minus. Okay. Plus minus, plus minus. Neutral. Okay. Turn off the switch. Yes. Now unplug the wire. And when I will turn on the switch, it must start to do learning. Let's check it. So I'm turned on the switch. Oh, yes. The neutral is flashing. It means that the gearbox is learned. Okay, now I must turn off the switch. Wait for click, tick. Now I need to turn on the engine and wait until the neutral will flash, flash, flash and light on. Let's go. Yes, it's done. It's already done. See? It's moving. Yeah. So I turn off the switch.